to make it work.
Did you just do a spell to make the movie play?
Did you just use your wand to turn the TV on?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, one. Okay, one. Get in your seat.
Okay.
Get in your seat. And you're ready to watch the show.
What are we going to watch?
Sleepy Beauty.
Oh, awesome.
Come on. When Waver starts, you spell again.
You going to do another spell to make it go?
Yes, watch this.
Okay, I'm ready. You made a castle appear.
Oh, that's my
That's your castle?
castle. See, that's the baby Venus castle.
Oh, is it?
And that's my castle. Oh, that's
Factually accurate statement.
Okay, well, we do that again.
Okay, do it again. Whoa. And look, the movie started. Can you dance to the music? How does Sleeping Beauty dance?
Okay, watch this. See, that's how it's Sleepy
What
Beauty
brings
dance.
you to the emergency room?
Can you do that again? I missed it. Awesome.